Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 27th, 2021. We're going to talk about Cardano today. I'm going to give you all the Cardano news based off the price chart alone. I don't come in and try to give you all some articles, some technical indicators, because I understand that it's confusing and people make it so complex that you become paralyzed as to what you think the market is going to do. So I came in, created this YouTube channel because I wanted to show everyone that you are able to see and predict price move without being confused. So if you guys appreciate my price predictions, my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Now, let me talk about the price action in Cardano or ADA since my last video, which was on December the 10th. Okay, look, this is what the price has did in relation to my price prediction. Yeah, I was playing the weakness into the market in ADA right there on December the 10th. I was playing the weakness, and you guys can tell something though. One thing I want everyone to realize who are subscribers of my channel is that the answers are already here on the chart. You just have to believe what you are seeing because it tells you what the market is trying to do. So the question I want to ask you all right now is, where do you think the buyers came into the market in ADA? Seriously. After we did our video right here on December the 10th, at what point would you have realized that buyers are coming into the market in ADA? Precisely. If you all said $1.20, you were right. This is where the buyers came in and has propped up ADA's price. Can you see that? So I'm not necessarily sure if I told you all that we might need to come in and grab the bag right there at $1.20. I'm not sure. We had to go back and listen to my video that I did on December the 10th, but nevertheless, the answers have already been determined. The buyers was able to prop up ADA's price at $1.20, which have given us around 9%, right? This was the opportunity for us to notice, okay, something is going on. Rather than us seeing the continuation of weakness occur in the market in ADA, we are noticing buyers coming in. This is how you're able to react without being nervous, without being scared, without questioning where in the world is this price going to go. The market has determined, look at this. That is precisely where the buyers came into the market in ADA. So that was the clue to say, hey, you might want to go ahead and take this bag right now because I'm trying to lift this price in ADA. Because if you didn't act then during this whole time frame, if you did not react and take the bag of that 9% during this time frame, yeah, you'd be down right now. You'll be down around what? 20%. Okay, 17, almost 18% right there. So now, let me go ahead and get rid of that. We all learned from that situation that the answers are already on the chart. There's nothing needed to be added to the price chart just to figure out what the market is trying to do in ADA. So let me get this. Let me take this out. Let me clean up this chart because obviously you guys can tell that the price in ADA is breaking my overall restriction area, right? So obviously the market is trying to go somewhere else. Rather than it trying to get hung up around $1.50, it is trying to go somewhere else. So what we need to do is we need to elevate this horizontal line and try to picture where are the sellers. Can you see this on a daily perspective as to where you think the sellers are at in the market in ADA? What about there? Around $1.80. Does that seem feasible? Do you think the sellers are there? Or do you think they're around $1.65? I'm gonna keep it around $1.80. Okay, it might be a little bit higher in the market for ADA, above $1.80, but that's the vicinity that I'm going to try to keep the overall movement in ADA. Okay, right there around $1.80. So that's the next spot. See, we are incrementally moving the market. This is our anticipation going forward as predictors in this space. We want to predict, okay? We want to get in position. We want to already be ready and prepared for these price action moves so that we won't be caught off guard. We won't be scared. It's just like so many other YouTubers. They come in after the fact. They produce this content as to they're giving you some big favor to tell you why the market either crashed or why the market broke out in these cryptocurrencies. And it's always after the fact. They don't come in and give you this information beforehand. From my camp, we try to give you this information beforehand so we won't be caught off guard and we'll be able to fill up our bags with profitability. Okay, so check this out. Yeah, I like the 3-day time frame. I mean, so far the market strength in ADA is still apparent. We already know buyers stepped in at $1.20. This 3-day price bar right here is confirming overall strength, and we're still seeing strength into the market right now in ADA. Now, I don't want you all to think that we are massively bullish in the market in ADA. No, because this is the actual trend right now. Okay, so it takes us right there around that $1.80 spot. So yeah, keep your eyes open and don't act like you didn't know about this once that time approaches, that I told you that we could see selling appear at $1.80 or around that particular area, because this is where the downtrend is. See, the answers are already here. We just have to learn how to digest it and see what's actually going on. So let's see this on a weekly time frame. This is the market in ADA on a weekly. I do like what happened on this weekly price bar. Why? Because in 1 week's time frame, 1 week, we have literally erased the last 2 weeks of price action in ADA of it going down in price. That is monumental. That tells us that the market is trying to control the selling and try to uplift this price in ADA. So yeah, I'm going to expect the price to go up, but it's going to be within reason. I don't want you all to be, shooting all this moon type price predictions out in this space, because this is not what I do. So what I'm looking forward to though is for the market in ADA to go up, right? I'm going to play the strength here in this space in the market in ADA. You can see this on the monthly time frame that it's a mixed bag. See, this is why I want you all to put all this into context and not to become overly bullish in this space. I mean, look at the month of December. It's kind of like a wash. So as we go into the month of January, keep your eyes open, because it can still go down in price in ADA. So what I'm giving to you all today on this video is only from a daily basis, because the further out in time we go, we can still see weakness on the price chart. Okay. So let me hurry up and get this done, because I know you guys got other pressing things to do. Go ahead and move this out. Like I said, $1.85, $1.80. It's where I'm looking for this market in ADA to try to go towards. Okay, now in between that spot from where price is right now at $1.57 to $1.80, yeah, right here, $1.70 will be my first spot for us to nibble off of this movement higher in ADA. That gives around 8.6%. See, I don't want us to be in the market longer than what we have to, because I understand, especially in cryptocurrency, the volatility can happen on the dime, can happen in less than a couple of minutes and hours. So we want to make sure that we at least grab some of this bag before price crash or moves lower. So that's my first spot right there, $1.70. And the next area is going to be up there towards $1.80. Okay. Now it's not going to be exactly on $1.80. It might be a little bit lower, $1.79, something like that. I just want to prepare you all for the vicinity as to where I'm looking for the sellers to appear. Okay. And that's it. You guys can see it right here as to what my expectations are. And obviously we can tell that the market support is at $1.20, but I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher towards $1.30. Okay. Now that's it. I am done. This is the anticipation into the market in ADA. And as we see this price approach $1.80 and we still see strength, I want you all to understand that you can continue to go on with your prediction of seeing ADA go up higher than $1.80, but that's only under the auspice that we see strength coming at $1.80. Because if we don't, we understand we're going to come back down in price, because my next spot is going to be around $2. Yeah, see, I'm already preparing myself for price in ADA to go to $2, especially if I see strength come in and continue right there around $1.80. I'm good. So now it's your turn. Drop me your price prediction into the market in ADA real quick. Let me know where do you all think the market is going to go over the next couple of months, i.e. this price prediction is only from a daily perspective, because from a monthly perspective, we're still seeing weakness. So it's kind of still up in the air from a monthly time frame as to how high the price in A is going to go. So I just want to come in and give a small little snippet out the market. And then as time goes on, we should be able to tell if the buyers are entrenched, involved on a longer time frame. So let's just play this on a smaller time frame. So give me your price prediction over the next 2 weeks. Tell me where will price be. All right. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.